Welcome to my workbench. All right, finally got it opened. There's a little bit left inside, so I'm actually going to use this as the container for my wash and just add some water. It's really dried up quite a bit. It's pretty gooey, so I'm really going to have to give it a good stir. Now, a little bit of Algonquin. I know you're probably going to be like, wait, how much did you do of each? I don't know. Half and half, maybe? So the science is green and red make brown. The art is, I don't know how much green I need to make the color I want. That actually is looking pretty good. I wanted something sagey, and that looks sagey to me. Here is where we're at. The paint wash is dry, looking very green. Okay, let's do this. How warm and rich that is. I'm really liking this. There's a lot of steps, so recall. We stripped, we sanded, did the green wash, added the kona stain, and then now we're adding a mix of Fusion's natural and walnut to the top and wiping it back. I think it was worth it though.